Hello, this is Stephen. I'm an expert article author and online coach, and I often get asked questions on how to do things on Facebook. And this is a tutorial that's going to show you some quick and easy ways to use paste and cut and paste to change your profile HTML box and your custom profile box. Now, what we're looking at here is my Facebook page, and I'm going to scroll down here to our boxes that we're going to look at. In particular, I'm going to show you how to cut and paste to change this box. And it's really very simple. You just need to click on the Customize HTML code, and here you have it, the code that shows that box. Now, I've got some previous code that I've altered. It's basically the same code that you see in the box, but what I've done is I'm just going to show you some examples here. You just highlight it. In this case, I'm going to copy it because we're going to work with this. This is a notepad. You can just use that as a sort of a catch place, and then I'm going to paste this code that I just copied from my notepad. I don't really want to announce this update to everybody, so I'm just going to unclick that box, and then I'm going to update this box. You have to go back to your profile page, scroll down, and you see that this here is changed now. Let me do this one more time. And this time, I'm going back, and we're going to change this to say you have a Digg account. I've got this made up. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to come back over here, highlight it, but just to show you what this will look like, I'm going to just go down one deal here and paste under this, and then unclick the announce, then update the box, and we'll see what we can get. The thing is once you get this system down, you can play around with it and you'll figure out what you can do and what you can't do, and how things will look. Sometimes things will come out, sometimes they won't. And here you see what happens. We had the Brian Tracy free CD, and now we have our little Digg symbol. So let me just go back one more time, and we're going to make some changes. I'm going to show you how you can just change some simple things. I'm going to change this Digg symbol here to gold, and we're going to uncheck our box again, recheck updates. There is that our image should change. And this is a case in point of where you can see how that you need to work around with the stuff you have in your boxes to see what effect you may get. And so here we get Brian Tracy, and now we have a different image that comes up, but this will, if we click on it, and here you see the Digg website. I'm going to go back again because I want to show you something else. If I click to customize this once again, and right here, this is how that you really don't need to know a whole lot about HTML, but this here really is the URL. If I were to go in here and just change this to twitter.com and put my Twitter name in, and delete out the rest of this. Now, and then save, and let's put this as Twitter.jpg. And notice that I've changed this. This is case sensitive. If I would put a small JPG here, JPEG, it would not work. Um, anyway, then we customize our box. Back to our profile. And we come down here, we see we have a little Twitter symbol, and it should take me to my Twitter website. And here we are at my Twitter website. So I hope this tutorial helps you. There's an array of boxes that you can use in, we only worked on the custom profile box, but you also have a profile HTML box, a My Stuff, and if you go to boxes, which is another whole tutorial, you see here's an HTML profile box where it has actually a opt-in form, and you can do the same thing here as you do to the other boxes. So have fun, enjoy, play around, and this is going to teach you how to, basically you can cut and paste and do all sorts of things. It's really going to spice up your web page, and if you have a business, it's going to help with your opt-ins and also your lead generation. So have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Check out more of my stuff on StephenLShaw.com.